Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone not charging with iOS 26. So first of all, you should know that the problem is from software or from hardware on your phone. So first of all, you should try to check if your charger is working properly. So you can try it with another iPhone and check if your charger is charging the other iPhone or not. After that, you should also check the cable that you are using to charge your phone. So check if the cable is working properly or not also, because sometimes the problem may be just a problem from the cable that you are using for charging or to charge your phone. And also try to check the place of charging or the port of charging, if it's clean or not, or if there is some dust on it or not, because sometimes that also could cause that, and don't let your phone to charge properly. If you checked all that and everything is good and your charger is working fine and there is nothing wrong, we are going to check if there is a problem on your software or on your battery. So to do this, you have just to go to settings and go to battery and check here if your battery is working good. And here you can go and check your battery health. If the battery health is not normal, so there is something like bad happening with your battery, so sometimes you should change your battery. And also go to charging and find here if you put some limits to your phone, because sometimes you can change it to 80%, and if you change it to 80%, your iPhone will complete charging until it's 80%, and after that it will stop charging by itself and it will not go more than 80%. So if it's 80%, you can put it back to 100% again, and like that your phone will be charging and everything is good. So those are the things that you should check to know that the problem is from hardware or from software, and to check that your battery is working properly and your phone is working properly. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.